For men who choose the bold, confident look of a clean-shaven head, the right tools are essential. But the process of shaving your head can often be frustrating, time-consuming, and even painful. That's where the Groomie comes in. With the BaldiePro Head Shaver, you can say goodbye to the hassle of traditional razors and clunky electric clippers. Designed for a smooth, quick, and easy shave, it's an innovative solution that lets you achieve that perfect bald look in no time, all from the comfort of your own home. Gone are the days of struggling with messy blades, waiting for the barber, or dealing with painful cuts and nicks. Whether you're just starting your bald journey or you've been rocking the look for years, the Groomie is here to make your shaving experience faster, easier, and pain-free. What is the Groomie? The Groomie, also known as the BaldiePro Head Shaver, is a high-tech, ergonomic, electric shaver designed specifically for head shaving, combining advanced technology with a sleek, easy-to-hold design. It allows users to shave their head in under 3 minutes. Whether you're looking for a smooth, shiny bald head or just a cleaner, more polished look, the Groomie delivers results with precision. Equipped with SmoothShave technology, this shaver ensures a smooth, irritation-free shave. Unlike traditional razors, the Groomie works effortlessly without the mess or the risk of nicks. With a 90-minute runtime and wet and dry usage, it's a convenient tool that fits seamlessly into any routine, making shaving quicker and simpler than ever before. How does the Groomie work? The Groomie is designed with advanced features to ensure the best shaving experience possible. Here's how it works. SmoothShave technology. The shaver uses a special blade design that guarantees a smooth, close shave without the discomfort of traditional razors. This technology is specifically made to reduce friction and irritation, providing a shave that's gentle on your skin. Ergonomic design. The shaver's ergonomic shape ensures a comfortable grip, allowing you to navigate the contours of your head easily. Whether you have a round or angular scalp, the Groomie fits perfectly in your hand, giving you maximum control over your shave. Wet and dry use. Whether you prefer to shave with foam, gel, or dry, the Groomie accommodates both. Its waterproof capabilities mean you can use it in the shower or dry, depending on what's most convenient for you. Long battery life. The shaver features an advanced lithium-ion battery that provides up to 90 minutes of use on a single charge. It's more than enough time for multiple shaves, making it ideal for daily use or for taking on the go during trips. Quick and easy maintenance. Cleaning the Groomie is a breeze. It's designed to be easy to rinse underwater so you can quickly wash off any hair buildup. With self-cleaning technology, keeping your shaver in top condition has never been simpler. Features and benefits of the Groomie. The Groomie is packed with features that make it stand out from the competition. Let's dive into some of the key benefits. Time-saving. Shaving your head has never been quicker. With SmoothShave technology, you can achieve a clean, smooth shave in under 3 minutes, saving you time and effort every day. No more nicks or cuts. Traditional razors can cause painful cuts and irritation, but the Groomie is designed to prevent this. Its advanced blade design ensures a smooth shave without the risk of nicks, cuts, or skin irritation. Ergonomic design for precision. The ergonomic handle allows you to maneuver the shaver around your head with ease. Whether you have a round, oval, or angular scalp, you'll have full control even when shaving tricky areas like behind the ears or at the neckline. Multiple attachments for versatility. The Groomie comes with several attachments, including a precision clipper for trimming around the edges and a nose and ear trimmer for detailed grooming. This makes it a versatile tool for all your grooming needs from head to toe. Built for comfort, the gentle vibration and high-quality motor provide a comfortable shave without irritating your skin. Plus, the wet and dry usage feature allows you to shave however you feel most comfortable, with shaving cream or dry. Affordable solution at a fraction of the cost of a professional head shave at the barber. The Groomie offers excellent value for money. Not only does it save you time, but it also helps you avoid ongoing barber fees. How to use the Groomie? Using the Groomie is simple, even for beginners. Follow these easy steps for a quick, smooth shave. Charge the shaver before you begin. Ensure that your Groomie is fully charged. A full charge gives you up to 90 minutes of use, which is more than enough for multiple head shaves. Select your desired attachment. The shaver comes with multiple attachments for various purposes. Choose the right one for your needs, whether it's the standard head shaver or the precision clipper. Shave your head. Turn on the shaver, select your preferred speed, and gently move the shaver in circular motions over your head. The ergonomic handle gives you full control so you can navigate the contours of your head easily. Clean the shaver. After use, rinse the Groomie under water to clean it. Its waterproof design makes maintenance quick and simple. Groomieshaver pros and cons. Like any product, the Groomieeshaver has its strengths and a few minor drawbacks. Here's a breakdown. Pros: quick and efficient, shave your head in under 3 minutes. Smooth shave, no nicks or cuts thanks to the SmoothShave technology. Ergonomic design, comfortable grip for easy use and full control. Wet and dry use, shave with or without shaving cream. Long battery life, get up to 90 minutes of use on a single charge. Affordable, cost-effective alternative to frequent barber visits. Cons: limited to head shaving. While it's perfect for shaving your head, it may not be suitable for other areas of the body. Battery life decreases over time. As with all rechargeable batteries, the shaver's battery life may gradually decrease with extended use. Price and where to buy Groomieeshaver. The Groomieeshaver is available at a great price through the official website, and it often comes with special offers and discounts. One Groomieeshaver, $79.99. No hair, don't care bundle includes 2 Groomieeshavers, $99.99 save. Crispy AF bundle includes 3 Groomieeshavers, $124.99. Each purchase includes free shipping, a 1-year warranty, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied with the product, you can return it for a full refund. You can only buy Groomieeshaver directly from the official website, so make sure you're purchasing from the source to ensure the best deal and customer support. Conclusion. The Groomieeshaver is a game changer for anyone who wants a smooth, hassle-free shave without the pain or mess of traditional razors. With its SmoothShave technology, ergonomic design, and quick charging, this device provides everything you need for a clean, smooth head shave in record time. It's convenient, effective, and affordable, making it an excellent alternative to expensive barber visits or manual shaving methods. Whether you're new to shaving your head or you've been doing it for years, the Groomieeshaver offers a simple and efficient solution that you'll love. Say goodbye to nicks, cuts, and hours of shaving. Embrace a smooth, confident look with the Groomieeshaver today.